In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off internet access for Photoshop. We're going to use the built-in Windows Defender firewall to block Photoshop from going online without affecting the rest of your apps. This is helpful if you want to prevent updates, stop online features, or keep Photoshop fully offline for focus or security. We'll create two rules, one to block incoming connections and another to block outgoing connections so it's completely sealed off. Start by opening the Windows search bar and typing Windows Defender Firewall, then open it. In the firewall window, click Advanced Settings. If Windows asks for permission, allow it. On the left side, select Inbound Rules. This section controls traffic coming into your computer. On the right, click New Rule, choose Program, and click Next. Select this program path, then click Browse. Navigate to your Photoshop installation. By default, that's usually C+ program files. Then open the Adobe folder, open the Adobe Photoshop folder, and select photoshop.exe. Click Open, then Next. Choose Block the Connection and click Next. Make sure all three profiles, domain, private, and public, are checked, then click Next. Give the rule a clear name like Photoshop and click Finish. This prevents any outside connections from reaching Photoshop. Now let's block outgoing traffic too. In the left panel, click Outbound Rules. On the right, click New Rule, and again, choose Program, then Next. Select this program path, click Browse, and choose the same Photoshop.exe, click Next. Select Block the Connection and click Next. Check Domain, Private, and Public, then click Next. Name the rule Photoshop and click Finish. At this point, Photoshop's internet access is disabled both ways. You can confirm by opening Photoshop and trying an online feature like cloud services or online help. Those should no longer connect. This change only targets Photoshop.exe, so other Adobe apps will still have internet access unless you create similar rules for them. If your Photoshop is installed somewhere else, such as program files, x86 on some older setups, just browse to that location when selecting the executable. And if you ever need to restore internet access, go back to Advanced Settings, open Inbound Rules and Outbound Rules, and either disable or delete the two Photoshop rules you created. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.